Happy Vlogmas Day 7. I'm getting ready to go to the beach right now with my son. I just have on a red top, a flannel, and I have on these green shorts. It's definitely giving Christmas. It's been a really chill Sunday. We haven't done much. Let me get a hair tie. Hair tie, where are you? Oh. It's been a very, very chill Sunday. We've been chilling, and I just want to get him out of the house. This is most likely going to be the last time he watches TV. He doesn't know that yet, and he's probably not going to be happy, but I just feel bad sitting him in front of the TV all the time. So we're going to go to the beach, watch the sunset, and then I'm going to come home and finish cooking dinner. He just ate some sliders, so he's gonna be good. My eyes look like I've been sleeping. I just took a nap. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right after this is go marinate the chicken that I'm gonna cook when I get back. And then I'm gonna go straight out the door because he has his swimmer trunks on already. So, all right, let's go to the beach. It looks very foggy and gloomy, and it's a little chilly, but we're just here to burn some energy, so let's see how long we last out here. It's supposed to rain at 5 o'clock, so technically we have 30 minutes. Oh, it's chilly out here. Oh my gosh, I'm about to put my hoodie on. Yes, I'm putting my hoodie on. He thinks he's getting in that water. He's gonna feel how freezing that water is. Hey, go on. This way. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Mommy's gonna put your jacket on, okay? It's cold.
Mommy,
Yes.
a snake over there.
A snake?
Yes, snake.
As I'm editing my video, I realized I didn't close out the video at all, so this is me saying goodnight. I'm so tired. I'm done editing the video. I'm going to upload it after I finish this video. I just wanted to make sure I said thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 7. It's getting exhausting. I don't know how people are doing this, honestly, but it's fun. Like, I love recording and then looking back at what I did. It's fun. And I feel like I'm also learning how to be better for the next video. So yeah, I'm tired. Please like this video, comment on this video. I also would love to know like your take on screen time with kids. He's 3, so I feel like screen time is a little crucial at this age. But you let me know, like, what do you think? Are there things that you do to minimize screen time? Are there activities that you do to distract your kids from wanting to watch it? I can't say it because I don't want him to get upset, but any tips, any comments, concerns about screen time, I would love to hear about it because it's really hard for me to minimize screen time, especially on the weekends. On the weekday, it's not as bad. He probably gets an hour of screen time with me at home on the weekday. At school, I'm sure they watch some things, but on the weekends, I find it the hardest. I struggle the most because there's only so much I can do. I can go to the beach, I can go to the park, I can go to my friend's house, you know? So any tips are helpful. But thank you so much for watching this video. I literally can't keep my eyes open. I'm that tired. Sorry for the dullness. But yeah, see you tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 8. Bye.
Bye.